Hi, welcome back to IME TV channel. This week we are going to have a look at the 3D Experience SolidWorks, the full-on cloud design and collaboration tools that integrated with 3D Experience SolidWorks connected with 3D Experience platform. This is a single cloud-based product development environment. Users can take the advantage of the robust collaborations, built-in data and product lifecycle management, intuitive conceptual design, industrial and sub-D modeling, and linear static simulation capabilities. The traditional definitions of workplace is now changing, and design to manufacturing teams needs to collaborate even when they are apart. The most important things are getting the right people to access the data securely at any time, anywhere, from any devices. It provides dedicated tools and workflow that streamline the process of design from idea to reality. It is intuitive and comes with great industrial tools like Whole Visit and libraries. It gets you to know your product performance and functionality in advance before you manufacturing it. Document your design is very crucial as well. So to create a 2D CAD or 2D drawings from your 3D design is simple, just like a click away. SolidWorks Connected is directly connected to 3D Experience platform, Business Innovator. You can directly save the data into the cloud storage. You can also search, view, and annotate in the browser environment easily. It makes this available for your team members and other stakeholders. It also consists of Industrial Innovator. You don't have to worry the backups and revision control because it's completely equipped in the platform. Moreover, you can also communicate with your team by assigning tasks and have a clearer picture of the entire project management. In addition, the Offers provides you the design tools on web browser, the 3D Creator. It's giving you the flexibilities and intuitive design interface to complete your job. It includes all the capabilities of 3D Experience SolidWorks standards, plus photo rendering, cost estimation, reverse engineering, and tolerance analysis. And it also comes with a 3D Sculptor, which is a tool that creates organic shapes and complex surfaces easily with a cloud-based subdivision, sub-D modeling solution that runs on 3D Experience platform and works seamlessly with SolidWorks 3D CAD. It consists of all the capabilities in 3D Experience SolidWorks Professional, plus piping, tubing, electrical cabling, and advanced surface flattening. It also comes with a 3D Experience SolidWorks Simulation Designer, which is an on-cloud simulation tool or a role that connected to a 3D Experience platform. It provides a time-based motion analysis and linear static structure analysis for parts and assemblies. You no longer need to worry that how much and how low the performance of your workstation now to run on simulation. You just need to focus on your design inspirations instead. So that's all for today. I hope today's video you are clearer about the packages of 3D Experience SolidWorks Offer. 3D Experience SolidWorks Offer with the objective to streamline your design to manufacturing processes, get your team to access the right data, and reduce the cost spent in the server maintenance. If you have any inquiry regarding 3D Experience SolidWorks Offers, contact us now.